Inside the last 500, no change with the leader. This one is $1 million. And look at the jockey, Jonathan Vasco Hernandez. He's still with a double wrap in front. This time increasing its lead to about 6 lengths. Bibere running on the outside second and moving up now is War Alert to take second. And down the stretch they come. $1 million right from the start, now going till end. And finally, $1 million. War Alert, Bibere, Jerprans.
Tatara, Mojito Racing Import Bold showing as the race the final corner at still Shatter, still leading by 2 lengths. Tatara is now running in second. Real Queen is running on the inside and Mojito. And in the last 50 still Shatter, still leading by 2 and Tatara, and finally Shatter, Tatara, Mojito, Real Queen, Bold showing, Vicky.
Then in fourth a Go Dodgers Go. Next in line is a Bloomberg. By there's a Jewel on ice. As they race the final corner, Kayang-Kaya moves up to grab the lead by a length and a half. Just in its Blues now in second. Go Dodgers Go in the middle. Inside the last 200, Kayang-Kaya by about 3 lengths now. Go Dodgers Go in second. Once again is a Just in its Blues, but Kayang-Kaya ang race number 5. And finally, it's Kayang-Kaya. Second close between Just in its Blues and Jewel on Ice. Graceful, but it's still Sparkling Luster maintaining a 2 lengths lead as they enter the last 350. Is Sparkling Luster followed now by Ultra Toros on the outside, threatening danger inside the last 200. Ultra Rose is racing on the outside. Sparkling Luster is by the rail. It's now Ultra Rose followed by Sparkling Luster, and finally it's Ultra Rose, is Sparkling Luster, TP Tyler 2, Heroine, then comes Unfolding, Rain Dancer, Graceful. Kulita Landayan with Fairy Queen still running handily in front, and Tiger Song remains in second. Closing in third now is the Lone Grey Galloper, Earl Grey together with Regal Boom. And down the stretch they come. Fairy Queen by about 4 lengths now. Tiger Song in second. Regal Boom is on the outside. And drilling the finish line, Okay Ka, Fairy Queen number 1. Coming in second, Regal Boom, Earl Grey, Tiger Song, Miss Fantastic, and Stop.
Side, and Euphoria is racing in third, passing the 400. Angie Gray from the outside. Jeffrey once again in the inside, and Euphoria as the race the final corner. Angie Gray on the outside, and by the run is Juan Jeffrey. Juan Jeffrey on the inside. Angie Gray on the outside. Excel Juan Jeffrey, and finally Juan Jeffrey. Angie Gray, Euphoria, Strong Boy, Catch on Fire, and Green.
Like the way Remus is traveling at this stage of the race by about 2 lengths. And in second, Spanish Drums moving up on the outside, Gun with a win. And in fourth, we have Yanung Rikit, then followed over by Do It David. 3 and 50 to travel, Kervin, Estrella, Malapira saying, let's go Remus. This time draws clear by about 5. Spanish Drum still hanging in second, and in third, Gun with a win, Do It David and Yanung Rikit. Success for the 6th straight of Remus with Carvin Malapira. Second, Spanish Drums, Gun with a win, Do It David, Yanung Rikit, and Prince Ferry for your Super 6.